Good evening, everyone. It's a real pleasure and an honor to be here today. And let me start by saying hello to all of you. Let me start by the fans who are here of Chiranjeevi Garu. I'm so happy to see all of you today. And I want you all to consider me as one amongst you all because, like you, I'm also a huge fan of Chiranjeevi Garu. I see him like my elder brother. So I'd like to thank you for including me today in this evening. All the directors and producers here from the Telugu industry, my namaste to all of you. Sir, when Chiranjeevi Garu called me and he said that he's wanting to invite me for this event, I don't know why he asks me. I have told him previously many times, sir, you have to only order, sir. There is no asking. You have to just inform me. So I was so happy that Chiranjeevi Garu has been given this honor, and I was really thrilled to know that. And I said, there is no way that I will not be a part of this wonderful evening to celebrate Sir. And certainly, I would like to add one thing, in what you were saying about his dancing. You see, if you notice him, any song of his whole heart is in it. He is enjoying himself. So our eyes don't move from him because he is just having such a great time that we are also infected with that. And that is such a unique quality, So I've been a huge fan and I'm so happy to be here, sir, today. Your achievements are many, and you will go on in this journey of creating many achievements, many firsts, and we will all always be there to be entertained by you and to applaud you, sir. Thank you so much. It's such a wonderful evening, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
We are honored in return as well. Also, there's one more trivia here. Aamir Khan sir is highly respected in China, and he has huge fans in China. And one more interesting thing is, if we see Chinese websites, Megastar sir is regarded as Indian Michael Jackson. So it's there in most of the Chinese websites. Now,